Hey guys, today I'm making date and coconut bars. Start by adding all the dates into a pot on medium-low heat, then add in the water and butter. Allow this to come to the boil gradually. Mix it well occasionally and allow the butter to melt and the dates to soften. When the dates have softened slightly, add in the coconut and mix well. Continue to cook this on medium-low heat, stirring occasionally till the dates are completely soft. Then remove it from the heat and set it aside to cool. In the bowl of your stand mixer, add in your softened butter and sugar. Beat on low till smooth and creamy. Then add in the baking powder, vanilla, and eggs, and mix well. Make sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl whenever necessary. Then add in the flour a little at a time as required. Continue to mix in flour till it forms a soft but not sticky dough. Remove the blades and mix well using your hands. Remove 1/3 of the dough, place it onto some cling film, and place it in the freezer. Spread the remaining 2/3 of dough onto a large greased baking sheet. Then spoon over the cooled date and coconut mixture. Then use the back of a spoon to spread it out evenly. Remove the reserved dough from the freezer and use a grater to grate it on top as evenly as you can. Then bake in a 180-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Remove it from the oven, and while it's still hot, use a sharp knife to cut into smaller pieces. Then allow it to cool completely. Add on the optional dusting of icing sugar, and it's ready to serve. Enjoy! Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!